see the development of facility systems using the Open BIM Revit plugin from a design already modelled in Revit. With the Open BIM Revit plugin installed, we click on the Open BIM Collaboration button available in the top toolbar and select IFC options. In the pop-up window, in the Import IFC options group, we select Open BIM and click on the IFC button with the green arrow. In the pop-up window, there is a mapper for establishing the desired relationship between Revit IFC classes or types and categories or subcategories, overwriting the general settings. This mapping can be applied both to models that are imported from Revit and those that are exported to a project on the BIMserver.center platform. Its use makes it easier to overcome some IFC class and type recognition limits, as well as to customize and optimize the conversion of objects to and from IFCs. We return to the Open BIM Collaboration option and select Collaborate on Open BIM Project. The Revit model is automatically exported in IFC format as a new contribution to the project hosted on BIMserver.center. We link this model to an existing or a new project and give it a name. Once exported, the IFC model generated from Revit will be visible to all users who have the shared project in BIMserver.center. Now, we can import the model into any program compatible with BIMserver.center. For example, from Site Plumbing Sanitary Systems, we click on New, choose our project from Select Project, and check the import box corresponding to the contribution generated in Revit as the initiator model. This initiator model will be used as a reference in the different applications used in the workflow, such as Site Plumbing Sanitary Systems, both in 2D and in 3D, where we can manage the display modes. We check that the bill of quantities generated in the application as a BC3 file is shared in the project via the platform. We modify the visibility of the architecture of the elements read to allow the entire facility system to be seen by using the wired mode or by hiding it. We can convert the conceptual model into a detailed model using Open BIM systems such as Terrain, SDP Sanitary Systems. From the Consult Project Status option of the Open BIM Collaboration button, the different facility system models previously made and uploaded to BIMserver.center as contributions can be loaded in Revit. In our case, we mark those generated in Terrain SDP Sanitary Systems and Water Systems, as well as the contribution from Cyperlec Distribution. Let's see what our model looks like with the uploaded contributions. The information of the objects included in the IFC model can be consulted from Revit via the schedules. We load the shared parameters file generated by Revit for each imported IFC. A variety of properties, such as technical parameters of the IFC model, can be included in the analysis tables once they have been loaded. To display them, we click on Edit in the corresponding schedule and in the Schedule Properties window and activate Include Linked Elements. The information can be filtered or sorted as if it were Revit's own information. We can obtain totals by type and work with these quantities. Just like the creation of schedules, we can define tags to document the different views. However, the standard tags provided for the different categories are, in principle, non-functional. To make them so, we click on Edit Family, where we are going to refer to the existing parameters in the shared parameters file of each of the imported IFC models. If we modify the tag of the connection pieces between pipe sections, it can show us the reference of the manufacturer's catalogue. We can also modify these tags to show any existing information in the imported IFC model, such as the diameter. We can even adapt the units of measurement to suit our needs. Tagging can be applied to 2D or 3D views. For 3D views, we first activate the display of the view and click on Tag by Category. The Revit file will act as a federated model, with links to the different models developed in the applications supported by BIMserver.center, which the platform allows us to update at any time. Furthermore, we can activate or deactivate the different BIMserver.center project contributions in the same way as if they were Revit information layers. We can check the complete project from BIMserver.center with the Revit contribution along with the rest of the contributions in the project section of the platform.